Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So, student, you must have gone through our previous video of this chapter. So, today we'll begin with second part of this chapter. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Just after the newly elected speech of newly elected president, what happened? An impressive arrangement of fighter jets, helicopters and soldier transporters raised everyone's head up in the sky. And what these jets, helicopters were doing? These jets and helicopters flew over the Union building, and it symbolized perfection as well as military's respect and obedience towards the free country. The high commanders who have won medal for their bravery also saluted and promised their loyalty. Mandela mentioned that he was well aware that these commanders who were now saluting him would have arrested him under the previous rule. Previous rule means the rule of white people or white supremacy. What happened? When white supremacy there, he was considered to be a criminal. जब वाइट सुप्रीमेसी थी तब नेल्सन मंडेला को एक क्रिमिनल माना जाता था. एंड व्हाई ही इज कंसिडर्ड एज क्रिमिनल? बिकॉज ही इज अगेंस्ट द डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, एंड दैट इज व्हाई ही इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी अ criminal. After that, the air show finally ended by making of South African flag in the sky from smoke beneath the jet. और आफ्टर दैट उसके बाद में क्या होता है? जो जेट्स और हेलीकॉप्टर्स थे वो क्या कर रहे थे? वो डिफरेंट कलर के गैस जो है वो स्काई के अंदर एमिट कर रहे थे, और वो उससे क्या बना रहे थे? दे फॉर्म साउथ अफ्रीका फ्लैग, साउथ अफ्रीकन फ्लैग. वो उन कलर्स से क्या बना रहे थे? साउथ अफ्रीका का फ्लैग बना रहे थे. ऑल राइट, ओके. नेक्स्ट स्टेंजा. The author remembered the day as playing of two national anthem of the country, one of the white and other that of the black. The white people sang Kosi Saklil E Africa and the black people sang Die Stem. So on that day, no one know the wording of anthems of black, but Mandela was confident that everyone should learn this anthem that they once hated. And why he is confident? क्यों confident थे मंडेला? क्योंकि उन्हें पता था कि now discrimination is not there, so people start loving each other, and that is why within few days they will remember the lyrics of the anthem, and that is why he is confident. Okay, next stanza. On the day of inauguration, what Mandela is remembering? He is remembering about the days of past. Past days, पहले के टाइम को याद कर रहा है. और कौन से टाइम को याद कर रहा है? 20th century को. When bitter Anglo-Boer War happened. एक Anglo-Boer War हुई थी 20th century में, जब मंडेला का बर्थ भी नहीं हुआ था. और उस टाइम पे क्या हुआ था? देयर इज अ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन इन द सोसाइटी बिटवीन वाइट स्किन पीपल एंड ब्लैक स्किन पीपल, एंड देयर इज सुप्रीमेसी ऑफ वाइट पीपल. वाइट पीपल जो लोग थे उनका अधिकार था ज़्यादातर, तो दे डिस्क्रिमिनेट पीपल, दे इल ट्रीट द पीपल हु वर ब्लैक स्किन. सो ही इज रिमेंबरिंग अबाउट दोज डेज व्हेन द सिस्टम ऑफ अपार्थाइड इमर्ज. It resulted in inequality, inferior treatment of dark-skinned people, and what happened? They were deprived of their basic fundamental right. As a result of one of the most brutal, inhuman society was born, and this began even before he was born. This system created an atmosphere of extreme cruelty and injustice for a particular part of community. और जो सुप्रीमेसी थी वाइट पीपल की और जो ये डिस्क्रिमिनेशन था ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कलर, इसमें एक अलग ही तरह की कम्युनिटी को पैदा किया, जिसमें कुछ लोगों को तो बहुत सारे राइट्स दिए गए थे और कुछ लोगों को कुछ भी राइट नहीं दिए गए थे और उनको इल ट्रीट किया जाता था. और कौन थे जिनको इल ट्रीट किया जाता था? द पीपल हु वर ब्लैक स्किन, दे वर इल ट्रीटेड. सो ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट सोसाइटी कि बिकॉज ऑफ अपार्थीड दैट ब्रूटल सोसाइटी came into existence. Now when he is in his 8th decade as a man, he along with countless other have changed this entire system that treat human as human irrespective of their caste, gender or age. Now he is giving us the example that with the help of other people who also fought against this discrimination, he was able to bring a society which give equal right to every person. Now in this society no one is ill treated, everyone is treated equally, and this is the real freedom for the people regardless of their color, of their skin or of their religion. और असली में यही आज़ादी असली है उन लोगों के लिए जिनसे पहले डिस्क्रिमिनेशन किया जाता था. दे वर नॉट फ्री एट दैट टाइम, बट नाउ व्हेन डिस्क्रिमिनेशन इज नॉट देयर देन एवरीवन इज फ्री. ऑल राइट, ओके. व्हाट हैपन? This equal and free country was a result of sacrifice of countless other men and women who have fought all their life for this day. The author wishes if he could thank them all, but unfortunately they did not live to see the result of their courage. Now Nelson Mandela is saying that the result of the courage of few people who have sacrificed their life, but he want to thank them, but he cannot thank them because now they were no more. नेल्सन मंडेला उन लोगों को थैंक करना चाहता है जिनकी वजह से ये इक्वल सोसाइटी इस कंट्री में आई, बट ही कैन नॉट थैंक देम. वाई ही कैन नॉट थैंक देम? बिकॉज दोज पर्सन्स वर नाउ नो मोर ऑन दिस अर्थ. दे हैव सैक्रिफाइस्ड देयर लाइफ फॉर द कंट्री. ऑल राइट. द ऑथर विशेस इफ ही कुड थैंक देम all, but unfortunately they did not live to see the result of their courage. Nelson Mandela gathered his courage and power from all these people and thus wishes to make them proud. And और नेल्सन मंडेला क्या चाहते हैं? नेल्सन मंडेला चाहते हैं कि वो उनको थैंक्स तो नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन what he can do, he can make them feel proud. And how he can make them feel proud? Because the society where discrimination is not there. So when he bring that society where discrimination is not there, so he thinks that he'll make those person feel proud. All right, next stanza. The policy of apartheid scared many people and it will take a long time for them to move on. The author mentioned that this hard time has its negative impact, but it also exposed a lot of strong and courageous men who stood up and raised their voice. Nelson Mandela is saying that the policy of apartheid create a deep wound in the hearts of many people. And how? बिकॉज दे वर इल ट्रीटेड. उनको अच्छे से ट्रीट नहीं किया जाता था. तो ये जो अपार्थीड वाली जो पॉलिसी थी उससे लोग खुश नहीं थे और बहुत से लोग ऐसे थे हु वर अगेंस्ट दिस पॉलिसी. सो व्हाट दे वर डूइंग? दे वर फाइट अगेंस्ट दिस. सो ही इज मेंशनिंग द नेम ऑफ दोज पर्सन हु वर फाइट फॉर द nation. And who were they? You can see the picture. Oliver Tambo, Walter Sisulu, Chief Luthuli, Yusuf Dadu. These are the person from whom he get the courage. All right. Now further he says that men who stood up and raised their voice, it required that level of unjust treatment to produce such great heroes. South Africa, he say, is rich in mineral and gems, but its greatest strength lies in its people. Now he is comparing those courageous person with diamonds. We all know that South Africa is famous for diamond. So he is comparing the person with diamonds. The person who is no more on the earth. He is comparing with the diamond, that the real diamond is not that which is buried under the earth, but who is real diamond? Those person who lost their life for the people, to bring equality in the society. So he is saying that those people were the real diamond. He is saying that जो लोग अब जिन्होंने अपनी लाइफ को सेक्रीफाइस किया है कंट्री के लिए, वो ही रियल डायमंड है, ना कि वो जो धरती के नीचे हैं. ठीक है. ओके. नाउ Nelson Mandela further says that his strength to stand against the wrong from all the great nationalists, जिनके बारे में इसने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले हमको मेंशन किया था ना, उन लोगों के बारे में ही नेल्सन मंडेला बता रहे हैं कि he gains strength from those nationalists he mentioned above, who have even risked their life for freedom and tolerate ill treatment but never stop fighting. He learned that courage did not mean the absence of fear, but the ability to overcome fear. The man who overcome his fear is called brave. Now what he is saying? He is saying the brave person is not the one who don't have any fear in his heart. Who is considered as brave person? Who have ability to overcome all the hardship. That person is considered as brave. ब्रेव वो नहीं है जो किसी से जिसके अंदर कोई डर ना हो. ब्रेव कौन है? ब्रेव वो है जो हर मुसीबत से निकल के बाहर आता है, वो ही असली में ब्रेव होता है. एंड व्हाट वी कॉल दैट ब्रेव पर्सन? रेसिलियंस. नाउ व्हाट ही इज सेइंग? He is saying no one is born hating another person because of their color or his skin or his background or his religion. But what happened? कोई भी पैदा होते ही किसी से हेट करना स्टार्ट नहीं करता है कि ये गोरा है, ये काला है, इसका कौन सा रिलीजन है. कोई भी पैदा होते ही ये सब नहीं सीखता. बट one is taught by society to hate human because of their skin, because of their color, because of their age, gender and religion. No one is born with hatred. The author idea is that if people can taught hatred, they can also be taught love and brotherhood. अगर हम किसी को hate करना सिखाते हैं तो हम love भी we can taught them about love also. So he is saying that when he is in prison, when they were being treated brutally, Mandela would see a pinch of humanity and kindness in one of the guards, and that was enough to keep him going. क्या कह रहे हैं? मंडेला कह रहे हैं कि when he was in prison, जब उनको वहाँ पे इल ट्रीट किया जाता था, टॉर्चर किया जाता था, उस टाइम पे he saw humanity in the eyes of the guards who were standing there. जो guards वहाँ पे थे उनकी आंखों में उन्हें humanity दिखती थी, and that is enough for them to keep them going. And he believed that goodness in human being can be suppressed but never eliminated. क्या कह रहे हैं? He is saying जो humanity होती है उसको हम suppress कर सकते हैं, दबा सकते हैं, but we cannot eliminate it from the society. हम उसको सोसाइटी से ख़त्म नहीं कर सकते. That means कि होप जो है वो हमेशा रहती है. And from where Nelson Mandela gets its courage? when he saw the humanity in the eyes of person who was standing there. Okay, so he says that humanity can be suppressed but it cannot be eliminated from the society, and he wished that God bless those person who have the humanity inside their heart. Is that clear? I hope you have understand the chapter. The next part will continue in next video. Okay, so student, please read the chapter and try to solve question and answer given in the textbook. Okay, we'll continue the next part in next video. Till then, God bless you.